Hi everyone, today I'm here with a super quick snack recipe. I love these sandwiches for my breakfast as well as for any quick meal that I like. They are extremely healthy and really quick to make up. So today we are going to make some cucumber sandwiches and they are high protein, as I must say. To make this, take bread of choice. I am using some all grain breads, multi-grain bread basically. I have Greek yogurt. You can actually use hung curd instead if you don't have Greek yogurt, so this is rich in protein. Some freshly chopped coriander leaves. I have some red chili flakes, some pepper. I have some cucumbers which we will grate, and of course we'll use some salt to taste. Let's start by grating these cucumbers. You can keep the skin on because that's extremely fibrous. And the good thing is that since we're already approaching summer, these sandwiches are great at your lunch parties or a quick barbecue. The cucumbers are all grated, but since they have a lot of water in them, so I'm going to actually sieve them or strain them to get rid of all the extra water, right? So put them into a muslin cloth, or you could just use your hands to squeeze out the extra water. So if you can see, just squeeze this and you will see a lot of water falling out. We don't want the water in our sandwiches because then that will make it really soggy. So give them a good squeeze. Okay, so this is what we have. So I threw away all the excess water. A lot of people choose to drink it too. I'm not a big fan, but yeah, you can go ahead do that. And let's put in this squeezed cucumber shreds here. Next, add in the chopped coriander leaves. Add some chili flakes. You can skip these if you don't like the chilies. Add the black pepper. Add some salt to taste. And lastly, I'll add in the Greek yogurt or the hung curd. Ensure there is no water in it. If there is, you might want to strain that out. And now, give this a good mix. Just blend it all in. You can also add some grated carrots if you like into this. They add a great color and of course great taste as well. Check in the salt at this time for this filling. Check any other spices that you want to add, but this is primarily our filling now. Now time to fill in the sandwiches. Take the bread of your choice and fill in a generous amount of this mixture. Spread it well on all the edges. These come out so refreshing on a nice sunny day. And there we are. You can chop off the edges if you like, but I love the edges on my sandwiches. That's how they look. Let us plate them. And the sandwiches are ready. Enjoy it. Do tell me how you guys like it. Please do like, subscribe, share, and give me your feedback.